Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C71 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately, all you have to do is to find a specific section in the specific app, and the app is PhoneManager. This app is pre-installed on your device by the developer, so no worries, for sure you've got one. So just open the app drawer and find PhoneManager, and let's tap on it. Here we've got this option, viruses and risks, so let's enter, and now your device will scan itself in order to find any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, any kind of problems which might appear, and after the scanning it will show you the information about it. I really hope that everything will be fine in your case. If not, if your device will find any kind of malware or viruses, it will show you relevant information about the risks, and also it will show you what to do in order to get rid of them, of the viruses or malware or whatever. As you can see, in my case, everything is all right. Here we've got the information that 22 items were scanned and no risky apps were found. But I've got recommended optimization, so for example, the storage cleanup. So your device, as you can see, will suggest some steps which you can take to optimize your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.